Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch through English lesson series by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do we call different metals in Dutch. Metals are called metallen in Dutch. M-A-T-A-L-A-N, metallen. Metallen, metallen. Let's start our lesson. Aluminium is called aluminium. Aluminium. A-L-U-M-E-N-E-U-M. Aluminium. 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 Brass is called messing. M-A-S-S-E-N-G. Messing. 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 Bronze is called bronzen. B-R-O-N-Z-A-N. Bronzen. 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 Copper is called copperan. Copperan. K-O-P-A-R-A-N. Copperan. 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 Diamond is called diamant. D-E-R-M-A-N-T. Diamant. 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 Emerald is called emerald. A-M-A-R-A-L-D. Emerald. 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 Gold is called goud. G-O-U-D. Goud. 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 Iron is called ijzeren. E-Y-Z-A-R-A-N. ijzeren. 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 Lead is called Leiden. L-A-E-D-A-N. Leiden. There is a very popular Dutch university called Leiden University. Leiden. Leiden. Platinum is called platina. Platina. P-L-R-T-E-N-A. Platina. 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 Ruby is called robijn. Remember that I and J are pronounced as Y in Dutch. It's E and Ja. Y. Robijn. R-R-O-B-E-Ja-N. Robijn. 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 Sapphire is called sapphire. S-A-F-F-E-A-R. Sapphire. 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 Silver is called zilver. It's zilver. S-Z-E-L-F-E-R. Zilver. 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 Steel is called stahl. Stahl. S-T-A-R-L. Stahl. Stahl. Tin is called tin. T-E-N. Tin. 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 So guys and girls, this was our lesson on how do we call different metals in Dutch. To practice this lesson, please listen to this lesson once again and repeat after the instructor. For more uh, PDFs and exercises, please visit ifactner.com. If you liked our video, then please thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Dag, doeg.